Good morning students. Today we will start exercise 4.3, and in this exercise we already discussed in last class graph of a linear equation in two variables. So how can we plot the graph? We already learned in this diagram and in this topic. So we have to execute these things in two exercises. So in exercise, first question is draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. So we have to make a graph of this linear equation which of two variables. There is x and y are the two variables, and this is a linear equation because the highest power of the given variables is 1. Okay, now what we have to do to find the different values of x and y. So there is, we can see that only one equation, that means we have to choose one variable's value by by our own mind, and then thereafter we have to put it there and have to find the second variable. That means these two variables are, which we have to find, they are dependent to each other, because the value of second variable is always dependent with the variables first variable. Okay, so for solution we have to take different value of x there. So let x equal to 0, then if you take x equal to 0, then value of y is 0 plus y equal to 4, implies y equal to 4. So I am making a table there, solution table, x and y. So if we taken x equal to 0, then value of y is 1. Now again we are taking let x equal to 1, then what is the value of y? So 1 plus y equal to 4, we are putting the value of x in the given equation. Now as we put it, the value of x is equal to 1 in first equation, again x equal to 1, then 1 plus y equal to 4. In the place of x I written only 1 there. Now equal to y equal to, which we have to find the value of y. If then we have to transpose 1 in right hand side, then y value of y equal to 4 minus 1, because 1 is adding there. Then if we transpose, then it will be subtract. Now value of y equal to 3, so we have to write there also. If we take an value of x is 1, then the value of y is 3. Okay, now again third thing, three values we have to take. You can take anything there, value of x you can take by your own mind. You can take there 5 6 7, you can take there 1 2 3, anything you can take. Okay, again we are taking let x equal to 2, then if we are taking x equal to 2, then we have to put this in the equation first. Then there will be 2 plus y equal to 4, then value of y equal to 4 minus 2, implies that y equal to 2. Okay, if value of x is 2, then value of y is also 2. Okay, that means the value of x and y are dependent to each other. That means value of y is dependent to value of x. If we are changing the value of x, the value of y is always changing. If we take an x equal to 0, then value of y is 4. If we take an x equal to 1, then value of y is 3. And if we take an x equal to 2, then value of y equal to 2. Okay, so this thing we chosen by our own mind, and these things value of second variable which we have to find with the help of given equation. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to plot the graph by given points. First point is 0 1, second one is 0 1 3, and third point is 2 2. So these are the point. Value of x is 0 1 2, which we chosen by our own mind, and then the after value of y, which we find it by the given equation 4 3 2. When value of x is 0, then value of y is 4. If value of x is 1, then value of y is 3, and if value of 2 is x is 2, then value of y is 2. So there is a graph paper. You have to take graph paper. I am taking a simple paper and made a graph of x-axis and y-axis. There is two axes, negative x-axis from O to OX, negative y-axis from O to OY dash, and positive y-axis is O to OY, and positive x is O to OX. Okay, now firstly we have to take first coordinate 0 and 4. So where is the 0 in the x-axis? At this point. And where is the 4 in y? Where is the 4 in y? There. Okay, so we have to take there as 0 4. Okay, first point we find it as 0 4 because in x-axis there is there 0 and in y-axis there is 4. Okay, now second point is 1 3. So where is 1 in x-axis? Here. And where is 3 in y-axis? Here. So with the help of these 2 points we made a line intersect to each other. 1 and 3 is there. Okay, so intersecting point is there and name this intersecting point as 1 3. Okay, clear to all? Now third point, because we taken 1 in x-axis, so 1 in x-axis is there and 3 in y-axis, so 3 in y-axis is there, so I written there 1 3. Now last thing is 2 2. Last coordinate is 2 2. So we have to take 2 in x-axis and 2 in y-axis. Both of axes have value 2. So in x-axis 2 is there and in y-axis 2 is there. Okay, so with the help of scale I am taking there to find the intersection line with x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. There 2 and 2, because x is also 2 is there and y is also 2 is there, both are positive. So we find it 3 different points 0 4 1 3 and 2 2. Okay, so with the help of scale we have to make a line with this intersecting points to make a line. Okay, make a graph line. So name these line as P and Q. Okay, so this line is a solution of question number first. Okay, this line is a solution of question number first because it denote all these points 0 4 1 3 and 2 2. All these 3 points are intersecting with this line. Okay, so we have to write the name of this line is x plus y equal to 4, which is the given equation. So this line representing this equation here. Okay, and three different values of this line is 0 4 1 3 and 2 2. That much we have to do only in this question. So question number second, third and fourth is of exercise 4.3 is similar to this question. You have to make as it is as like this. So question number first you have to do by your own, other second, third and fourth one, and if you face any difficulty then get back to me.